BJP leader LK Advani has slammed the government over the black money issue. He has said that he will focus mainly on the black money issue in the upcoming rally. He's also attacked the Prime Minister by saying the Prime Minister has done nothing despite the letter that had been written to him in 2009. Let's listen to BJP leader LK Advani.
2009 में मैंने ये सवाल उठाया, केवल चुनाव में उठाया नहीं, लेकिन मैंने एक पत्र लिखा प्रधानमंत्री को और प्रधानमंत्री को पत्र लिख करके मैंने कहा कि आज जब स्विट्जरलैंड की बैंकिंग सीक्रेसी के कानून होने के बावजूद अमेरिका को उनका वापस लौटा रही है, जर्मनी को उनका पैसा वापस लौटा रही है, तो हम क्यों नहीं ले सकते उनसे? आप दबाव डालो उन पर और वापस लाओ यहां पर। उन्होंने कुछ किया नहीं, और किया तो कुछ बैंकों से नाम भी मिले उनको। हम रोज कहते हैं कि अच्छा तुम पैसा जब भी आएगा, लेकिन उन लोगों के नाम बताओ देश को कि किन किन लोगों ने अपना पैसा विदेशों में जमा करवाया। पता तो लगना चाहिए, दुनिया के सामने तो वो है। इस यात्रा में मैं भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ बोलूंगा, मैं महंगाई के खिलाफ बोलूंगा, मैं गरीबी इस देश में आज भी 60 साल बाद इतनी है इसका जिक्र करूंगा, लेकिन मैं काला धन जो विदेशों में जमा है उसके बारे में सबसे ज्यादा बोलूंगा।
Aishwarya joining us with more on this. Aishwarya, Advani going back to where he started from while campaigning for the 2009 elections.
Very clearly, while rather meeting the supporters from in and around Delhi, just prior to his Jan Chetna Yatra, BJP stalwart Lal Krishna Advani getting back to the core point of corruption and then connecting it with the black money. He raised this in the last parliamentary elections as well, but he was mocked by the UPA and the Congress government. But this time around, he has made it very clear that the issue of corruption and the issue of black money stored overseas, not only in the Swiss but the other international bank as well, he will take up this issue, and this is the rather very important issue which just might click with the masses, because BJP has made it very clear that the issue of corruption and the issue of black money is going to be at the core of the BJP's larger policy to take on this Congress-led UPA government. And then Lal Krishna Advani, the BJP stalwart, reiterating his point that he will talk about the issue of corruption and black money the most in this Jan Chetna Yatra, which is going to start from 11th and is going to go across this nation. Also, another important point which he connected with the issue of corruption is the price rise, because this is once again a very important issue which has an impact on the life of a common man. So Lal Krishna Advani taking up the issue of corruption and then connecting.
All right, Aishwarya, thanks very much for that update.